then we attached the motors, wheels and the caster wheel. Then we made the program on how it will work when we started, and we downloaded the program into the controller and attached it to the motors.
So this is a object avoider, and when this model consists of two motors, one controller, and one ultrasonic sensor. So the ultrasonic sensor, through its sound waves, figures out what object is near it, and when it comes 5 centimeter into proximity, the model automatically changes to a different direction through code.
Detector. So first we made a program in the Scratch programming. Then we connected to the controller board with LED display, and it will detect your emotion and show LED lights according to it. So happy, it will show different colors, sad different colors, angry different colors, like that. Start.
Honey, you don't.
So we made object detection AI programming.
If we show it in our camera, if we wear a mask, it'll tell us if we are wearing a mask correctly, wrongly, or if we're wearing a mask at all. We made it by using a teachable machine which trained the models to like show which one is which is wearing a mask, which is not wearing it properly, and which is not wearing it at all. And then we uploaded that into
1 minute, yeah.
So here we perform a text-to-speech converter and also also a speech which comes when the phone is shaking. So for the front end, I have designed the background color, button shape and everything, and for the back end, I have coded in a way so that if you click the button, it says something, and if we shake the phone, it says something. So when the accelerometer sensor 1 is shaking, I have programmed it to say stop shaking me. So this is, we can just stop shaking me, stop shaking me, and if we click the button, hello.
This is a small game where the ball bounces when it collides with the edge. So first we did the designing here. We made a canvas yellow and we designed a ball and set a speed and set a certain speed for the ball. Then behind we did this code where we instructed the ball to bounce back when it touches an edge, or when we fling it with our finger it moves forward. Then we built it with this. When we built it with this MIT app inventor, and it turns it to an APK format, which we can install on our phones.
By scanning the QR code.
Yeah, by scanning this QR code. The ball touches the edge and it bounces back.